All right, all right, all right. We got another Tia's Kitchen. And what do we have here today?
Okay, so for Thanksgiving, I like to make dressing. But the first thing I do is cook my vegetables,
Okay.
which I do bell pepper, onion, and celery. So I take those, put them in a pot of water, and I add maybe like 5 or 6 bouillon cubes to like my little size pot here.
Okay.
Boil them down, make sure they're cooked. Transfer them to the bowl.
Okay.
Cook them first.
Yeah.
Then I make up my cornbread.
Okay.
My cornbread is vegetarian. I use vegetarian because I don't eat pork.
Okay.
I don't know if anyone knows this, but Jiffy cornbread mix is made with lard, which is pork.
Okay.
Every form of lard is pork.
Okay.
And so I put a can of cream of chicken, can of cream of mushroom, cream of celery, and I put 2 packs, well 1 pack in this bowl, of onion recipe soup mix.
Okay.
And some sage, a little bit of poultry seasoning, salt and pepper. And then I put it in there and mix it all up together and taste. And then after I do that, you know, season to your taste.
And this is what you come up with?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. The water the water that you use to cook the vegetables in, keep it. Don't toss it.
Okay.
Because what you do is you pour it a little bit in the bowl to gain the consistency to make it a little bit soupy.
Okay.
So while it's cooking in the pan, you know, it's cooking away the water. That's all you're doing with the dressing.
Okay.
You're just making it a little bit soupy and then putting it in the oven. That's it.
Okay. All right.
And after I do that, I put it in the pan and bake it on about 350 until it turns brown.
Okay. Once you put it in the pan, we'll see. We'll go from there.
Okay.
All right. All right. That's it. So that's what it looks like in the pan, and it goes in there. And we'll see what it's like when it comes out. All right, let's see what they look like. They come out of the oven. Oh boy, that look good. Test time. Oh boy. Time to eat that dressing. Another good meal from Tia's Kitchen.